So how to change lock screen passcode or password on your iPhone 15, 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max or any kind of iPhone. So this is my current password 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6. So I want to change it. For that, go to your setting and scroll down and select Face ID and passcode. Now you have to enter your old passcode. Scroll down again and then you can see change passcode. Press on change passcode and enter your current passcode. You have to enter your current passcode first and then change passcode. Enter your new passcode 112233. So Apple give me a warning, easiest, so I want to use anyway and again, and it's verifying. It's not Apple ID password, so I am now skipping now. Let's check it's working or not. Okay, it's working. This is how you can easily change your passcode on your iPhone. Hope you enjoy. Thumbs up and have a good day.